Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is Gauss Elimination Method. So we have a system of linear equations. There are three equations. This is equation number one. This is equation number two. This is equation number three. So by using Gauss Elimination Method, we will compute x, y, and z. Okay. So what is the method of Gauss Elimination Method? Gauss Elimination Method. First of all, we write the augmented matrix. Okay. What is augmented matrix? So first of all, we write coefficient matrix 1, 1, and 3, and minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 4, and then 2, 3, and minus 5. Then we write right hand side. First of all, write semicolon 3, 5, and minus 13. Okay. So this is the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. We write the matrix coefficient matrix. This coefficient matrix, and this is right hand side. So we write both matrices with same matrix. So this is augmented matrix. So now we will convert into echelon form. Okay, so echelon form. So we know in the place of this number and this number we required zero. Okay, so we apply the operations. So this we can zero this in this place easily. So r2 minus r1. So in this operation apply in this row, so we get zero in this place, and r3 minus 3r1. So from this method, from this operation, we get a zero in this place. Okay, so 1, 0, 0, and minus 1, 2, 3. And then what is the number of this? So apply this operation to 2 minus minus 1. So we will get 3. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. By using this operation, we will write this. Okay, so in place of this, 5 minus 3, 2. So apply this operation for this row. So minus 4 minus 3 into R1. So minus 1. So minus minus plus 3 ones are 3, and plus 3, and minus 4. We write minus 1. So in the place of this number minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3 into R1. 2. So minus 5 minus 6, and this is minus 11 in this place. And for minus 13, minus 3 into 3, minus 13 minus 9. So minus 13 minus 9 minus 22 in this place. Okay, so now we will convert this number into 1. So we replace a row 2 with a row 1. So we can get 1 in this place easily. So first of all, write this matrix and next page 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, and 2, 1, minus 11, 1 minus 11, 1, sorry, 2, 1 minus 11, 1 minus 11, then 3, 2, minus 22, 3, 2, minus 23, 2, minus 22 in this place. Okay, so we required 1 in this place. So we convert R2 with, R2 with R3. So we get 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is 0, so this 0. So minus 1 in this place and 3 in this place. So minus 1, 3, and 2 as it is, 3 as it is. So in the place of 1, we will write this is minus 11. This is minus 11. The place of minus 1 and 1 in the place of minus 11, and we write minus 22 and 2. Okay, so apply this operation. Then multiply minus 1 with R2. Okay, minus 1 with R2. So this is plus 1, this is plus 11, this is plus 22. So now we want to 0 in this place. So apply operation R3 minus 3 R2. By using R2, we will 0 in this place. Okay, we will do 0 in this place by using this number. Okay, so write 1, 0, 0. This is same. Okay, so 1, 1, So 2 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 as it is. So in the place of minus 11, so minus 11 minus 3 into R2. Sorry. In the place of this number, we write 1 minus minus 3 into 11. So 3, 11, 33. So 1 minus 33 is equal to minus 32. So place of 2, what is 2 minus 3 into 4, oh sorry, 22. 2 minus 3, 22, 60, 66, so minus 64. Okay, so now compute. So write this matrix in the form of equation. So this is x, this is z. So minus 32 is z is equal to minus 64. So minus minus cancel, and 32 is multiply here and divided by here. So 32. So 2, 15, 16, and 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, and this is 2. 16, 1, 16, 2, sir. So we get z is equal to 2. Okay. So substitute in the place of this number. Okay. So, sorry, in this number. So y plus z. So equation row 2. We write in the form of equation y plus z is equal to 2. So we get z is equal to 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So y, we will get y is equal to 0. Now compute x. So we write first equation in the form of first row in the form of equation. So x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. So x plus 0 plus in the place of 2 z is equal to 2. So it's equal to 3, 2 to the 4. 4 is plus here and minus here. So x is equal to 3 minus 4. So we get x is equal to 1. Okay. So we compute x, y, and z. What is x? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 2. So this is the solution of these three equations, system of linear equations by using Gauss elimination method. Okay. Allah Hafiz.